Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a vacuum designed for the people who want deep cleaning without losing suction, without dust blowback, and without the limitations of traditional bagless systems. This is the Prolux CTX water filtration vacuum, a vacuum that uses a sealed water filtration system to trap dirt, debris, and allergens in a way most vacuums simply can't match. If you've been dealing with pet hair, fine dust, or heavy daily cleaning needs, this is a machine built for the job. What makes the Prolux CTX stand out is its water filtration technology. Instead of relying on disposable bags or dry filters that clog easily, this system forces all incoming air through a vortex of water. Dirt, hair, dust, and allergens get trapped immediately in the water basin, preventing particles from escaping back into your room. This makes a noticeable difference for people with allergies or pets, since the vacuum maintains strong suction and prevents airborne debris from circulating. The motor in the CTX is engineered for consistent power, providing deep cleaning across carpets, rugs, hard floors, upholstery, and pet areas. Pet hair can be a major challenge for many vacuums, but the CTX is designed to pull it out efficiently, thanks to the sealed airflow system and the specialized attachments included with the vacuum. The water basin also prevents fine dust from clogging the machine, meaning the suction stays strong throughout your cleaning session. Durability is another highlight. The body is made with high-quality materials designed to withstand long-term use, and the attachments are built to handle different surfaces, including crevices, sofas, stairs, and corners. The water tank removes easily for fast cleaning. Dump the dirty water, rinse it out, and it's ready for the next cleaning session. No dust clouds, no messy filters, no bags. If you're searching for a vacuum that handles pet hair, maintains powerful suction, filters air effectively, and avoids the messy clogging issues common with standard bagless models, the Prolux CTX is a strong choice. Check it out and see if it fits your home's cleaning needs. And if you enjoy these reviews, make sure to subscribe and feel free to use the Amazon link below to support the channel.